nourished from the rich natural graphite resource in Laiqi, Qingdao, and benefits from the Qingdao port geography edge. In the decades' efforts, developed to excellent graphite product supplier in China. We are supplying full range of graphite products, including flake graphite, expandable graphite, graphite paper, conductive graphite products, carburizer. We are deeply acknowledged that the stable competitive price is important for our customers to control the cost, for providing the always competitive price based on our professional market analysis. We make the full and flexible inventory in both of our headquarter and customer plants locations for the fast supply. Consistency is the key factor to support our customer provide the quality product to the downstream. We manage well in the production processing control to supply the consistency quality to all customers. FRT is ISO 9001, ISO 14001 accredited and committed to provide the consistency product and cost-effective solution to customers. The customer-oriented service, equipped well facilities, and sophisticated initiative team are our core competitiveness, which support us to win the trust from the customers and the reputation in the graphite industry. Rooted in natural and feedback to social, your trust is our inspiration. We deliver